See how easy it is to wrap your pallets with Tigerpak's EXP-408. Tigerpak's Power Wrap is a recommended film for all your wrapping needs. Begin by installing your film onto the machine's roll holder. Guide the film through the rollers as shown in this diagram and stretch to your pallet. Then, tie off the end of your film to the pallet's base. To begin operation, simply turn the main power switch on. The power indicator will now illuminate. The EXP-408 features two modes. Mode 1 is preferred for light duty wrapping, while Mode 2 is preferred for heavy duty wrapping, giving more wraps at the base and top of your pallet. When ready to begin, press the green start button. Press the red button to pause the operation. Push the emergency button to instantly stop operation. To adjust film to your desired tension, turn the knob clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now you're ready to begin wrapping.